recording now, no? Okay. Kindly unmute everybody. Except Ruprekha. Don't do because your net is totally bad. I know that. Happy? Unmute yourself. Ruprekha, don't do. Okay, what I'm saying is, what is the use of diamond? Anybody knows? What is the use of diamond? Okay. Have you ever gone to a hardware shop? Hardware shop में जब जाते हो, you'll see. What you'll see? If you want to buy a piece of glass, maybe if you want to buy it for your window purpose or your door purpose, okay, or for furniture, if you want to buy, what will happen? They will cut a portion and they'll give you. Okay, how they cut? If you see, they have a pen like thing. Okay, they have ऐसा टाइप का एक पेन टाइप थिंग होता है उन लोगों के पास. Okay, wait, it's not the correct. अरे यार, ऐसा टाइप का पेन टाइप थिंग होता है. And then at the tip of this, will have a small diamond piece. Okay, because diamond is one of the hardest compounds in earth, right? So this diamond will make a mark and cut this glass. Whenever you have to cut very hard compounds, diamond is used. Okay, remember that diamond is generally used for cutting hard stuffs, hard compounds. After that, let us see now what is the use of graphite. Have you ever heard of graphite? कभी सुना है? कभी नहीं मिला?
नहीं।
पेंसिल में क्या रहता है? पेंसिल में कभी सोचा है पेंसिल में वो काला चीज क्या है? पेंसिल का ये जो काला चीज यूज करते हो तुम लोग, ओके, ये जो पेंसिल का टिप होता है, ये क्या चीज से बना है? Have you ever noticed or have you ever thought? कभी सोचा नहीं कि ये क्या चीज से बनता है? It is graphite. It is graphite. Graphite is one of the very good conductors of electricity. पेंसिल के पीछे भी तुम शार्प कर लो, ठीक है, पीछे भी शार्प कर लो, and you add one wire to it, and then here you add another wire. You don't need to add wire. You just put it in this one, add a wire and put it inside this electricity board, touch the other one, you'll directly get shocked. You'll get a shock. Okay, it's a very good conductor of electricity. ठीक है, heat भी easily. Heat I'm not sure, but electricity का one of the best conductors होता है ये. And this graphite is the most stable form of carbon in normal form. Okay, normal मतलब जो हम लोग का भी standard condition है, जो ऐसा रहता है. Suppose if you keep a piece of wood, how it is, so it will stay like that, right, for a very long time. So this graphite is one of the purest form, okay, of carbon, and it is one of the most stable form of carbon in standard conditions. Okay, graphite is also used in lubricants. देखोगे, we'll talk about it later. So elemental form में it is present in diamonds and graphite. Now in a combined state, okay, in a gaseous state, carbon is found as carbon dioxide, okay, and as salts as carbonates and hydrogen carbonate salts in various minerals. Carbonate देखा है कभी? Have you ever had carbonate? Ankit? Sagarika?
What's it?
Have you ever had carbonate? Carbonate? Gitanjali?
Yes.
Happy? कार्बोनेट कभी खाया है?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. I don't think I can give guarantee that you have had carbonate. I'll guarantee that you had it in the past, means एक last एक महीने के अंदर तुमने खाया है, means पिया है, sorry. I can guarantee it. Now think what you have, what to say? I'll tell you, it is a thing to drink. It is a thing to drink. Huh? बोलो.
Yes, sir.
क्या बोलो? कार्बोनेटेड ड्रिंक कभी पिया है?
सर नींबू
हाँ,
पानी.
sir.
No, sir.
किसने हाँ बोला? हाँ, किसने दिया? हाँ बोला.
अंकित ने सर.
ओके ओके, देखो, carbonated drinks we have had carbonated drinks. How you know? जब भी if you drink Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Happy Fizz, all that they are carbonated drinks. Okay.
हाँ,
जब
Yes.
whenever you drink it, थोड़ा वो फील होता है ना, थोड़ा एक गले के अंदर, means just behind your tongue you will feel a different type of feeling, right? थोड़ा
Yes,
जलता
sir.
है, right? After that you will give dakar, right? Okay. So what happens? This carbon dioxide is put inside this this water. Okay, this sweet water, मतलब sugar water ही तो है. This Coca-Cola, Sprite and all these are sugar water only. तो इसका अंदर कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड डाल दिया जाता है. When you open that lid ना, फस करके जो निकलता है sound, it is carbon dioxide coming out. And moreover, उसके वजह से ही क्या, जब हिला देते हो and you open that lid, क्या होता है, वो एकदम बाहर निकल के जाता है. हाँ. And जब भी whenever you eat it, and sorry, you drink it, then you will start वो डकार को क्या बोलता है, forgot the word. डकार को क्या बोलता है इन इंग्लिश को? उसको हाँ बेल्च बोलते हैं. हाँ, उसको बोलते हैं बेल्च. आई आल्सो फॉरगॉट. आई जस्ट रिमेंबर. बेल्च बोलते हैं उसको. ओके. जब भी ये whenever you drink this carbonated drinks, then whenever you belch, you take out air outside, right? It happens. हम लोग बोलते हैं कि गैस निकल गया. Actually it's gas, but it is carbon dioxide. Okay. Hydrogen carbonate salts are there. It is also present as hydrogen carbonate salts. Hydrogen carbonate salts का example maybe yeah. Okay. Hydrogen carbonate वाला चीज तुमने कभी खाया है? Have you ever had hydrogen carbonate वाला, means hydrogen carbonate रहने वाला वो चीज खाया है कभी? And I can guarantee you have had it in the last 3 to 4 weeks. Never had, na? See, sorry, cake खाया है कभी? When did you last have cake? When did you last have cake?
Yes.
You have, yeah. So I think you should have had a cake recently. So if you had a cake recently, you know how cake is made with the help of baking soda, na? So this baking soda is क्या? सोडियम, क्या होता है? सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. और बाइकार्बोनेट को हम लोग बोलते हैं हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. ओके. Okay, its formula is like that.
Yeah.
Its formula is NaHCO3. ठीक है, समझ में आया?
हाँ सर.
Yes.
Okay. This hydrogen carbonate salts, okay, they are also used salts, acid base. कभी if you have studied, now don't tell me that you have not studied acid base. What is salts? What is salts? Yeah. What is salts? What is a salt? Don't tell me and that the common salt you have, no? It is a salt. Yeah, it is an example of salt. Okay, it's an example of salt. But what is salt? Have I explained it before? Oh, I don't take your this one class, right?
No.
Chemistry class I don't take.
Mm.
Bolo. You have had an acid base class, right? So obviously, yeah, science. I think in science also you got, and yeah, most probably in science only you got. You don't know what is salt? Seriously, you don't know what is salt? Hmm.
Some mineral.
Third. See, I'll tell you. जभी भी, whenever an acid reacts with a base, it will form salt. Okay? NaCl कैसा है? ये क्या? NaCl क्या होता है? What is NaCl? What is NaCl? Huh? You have not got NaCl. What is NaCl? Arey, you're in class 9. How come you didn't get what is NaCl? NaCl is common salt. जो नमक खाते हो ना, that is NaCl. Sodium chloride. Okay. Now see, this is sodium and this is chloride. How this one is formed? When you react, okay, hydrochloric acid with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is a base. Okay, this is an acid. तो क्या होगा? This sodium, देखो, this is actually this is plus and this is minus. Okay, and this is plus, this is minus. This whole part is minus. This whole part is minus. But this is less stronger. Okay, this is a more negative element, right? This is a more negative element and this is a more positive element. So इसको लेना है एक, okay, इसको देना है एक and इसको लेना है, sorry, इसको देना है एक. If you want to lose its one electron, okay, you will get it, I think this class this year, and you would want to take up one electron. So they are the most compatible और से. तो ये मतलब ऐसा होता है. Suppose सागरिका का बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है? I forgot. Sagarika sits with whom? You sit with whom? You sit.
Gitanjali and Leah.
Okay. Suppose Gitanjali. Okay. Suppose now Rishikesh and Sagarika, they are sitting together. Okay. They're sitting together. And there's trying to understand a topic. But when Rishikesh tries to explain Sagarika, then maybe she can't catch it properly or understand it properly. Yeah, or Rishikesh maybe when Sagarika explains, he cannot catch it properly or he cannot understand it properly. But when suppose another group, another group comes when that is Ankit and Gitanjali. Okay, Ankit and Gitanjali in another group, they're also studying together. Means they're learning a topic together. So now what happens when these two groups come closer to each other? Means they're I ask them to study in the same class. What you guys will do? So Sagarika will go with Gitanjali. The same problem is with Gitanjali and Ankit. Okay, what problems Sagarika and Rishikesh will face? So now when these two groups will be studying together, what they'll do, they'll break their groups. Sagarika will go with Gitanjali so that they can, because they understand each other much better, and Ankit and Rishikesh will go with each other. Means they will understand each other much better. So in this way, they can extract the maximum, right? So it's the same case with these reactions. Okay, this is the same case with reactions. This is negative. Okay, this is negative, but this is more negative. So this sodium will get attracted towards this chlorine. So it will form sodium chloride. And always remember, whenever there is an acid base reaction, water will always come out. Water हमेशा निकलेगा. Okay. So this was a long topic. Let us discuss. Okay, salts, like common salts होता है. Okay, salts are basically precipitate. Okay, these salts are basically precipitate.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
1 second. अरे, I'm very sorry. Okay, what happened? My network was gone. Okay, my current electricity is not there, so that's all. So you understood what is a salt? Salt is the result of the reaction between an acid and a base, and also when a salt is formed, there will be what? There will be water. Okay.
What?
So hydrogen carbonate salts. What is this sodium bicarbonate? You're saying, huh? It is a what? So what is sodium bicarbonate? Is it a salt? Huh? Sodium bicarbonate, is it a salt? ठीक है, देखो सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट इज ए सॉल्ट. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है? ओके, I'll tell you. Just see this one. It is sodium bicarbonate is written as like that. Okay. This is the negative portion. This is the positive portion. So negative positive जिसमें रहेगा, that will be salt. Okay. This is negative. This is plus. Like in sodium chloride, जो हम लोग के घर में common salt है. This is negative. This is plus. Okay. So when they are together, negative and positive, when they are together, then it is a salt, and it is a result of acid and base reacting. Anyways, so these life forms, okay, these life forms are formed, okay, on carbon containing molecules. Like if you see proteins, you will find carbon. If you see carbohydrates, उसमें भी क्या रहता है? उसमें भी रहता है कार्बन. If you see fats, उसमें भी रहता है कार्बन. Okay. If you see nucleic acid, जो हम लोग का DNA, RNA बनाता है, there also you'll get carbon. Vitamins में भी कार्बन होता है. Okay. The endoskeletons and the exoskeletons of various animals, okay, contains carbon salts. You know what is endo and exoskeleton? What is the endoskeleton? एंडोस्केलेटन कभी सुना है? Have you ever heard what's
ना
endoskeleton?
सर
No.
नहीं, तुम्हारे
सर।
शरीर के अंदर जो हड्डी है वो क्या है, उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
स्केलेटन।
ओके, जो स्केलेटन बोलते हो ना, सिंस इट इज इनसाइड द बॉडी, ओके, इट इज एन एंडोस्केलेटन। एक्सोस्केलेटन होता है कॉकरोचेस का। तुमने देखा, इफ यू सी द कॉकरोचेस बॉडी ऑफ ए कॉकरोच, ओके, उसके बाहर में स्केलेटन बाहर में है। सो दिस आर कॉल्ड, बेटर एग्जांपल विल बी दैट, जो शंख होता है ना, यो हिंदूज दे यूज शंख ना, दैट क्या से साउंड होता है, पुंग करके जो शाम में बजाता है ना, दैट इज
हाँ
दैट इज दैट इज व्हाट, दैट इज एन स्केलेटन। उसके अंदर ही क्या रहता है, जो ऑर्गेनिज्म है उसके अंदर रहता है। या इफ यू सी पर्ल, पर्ल में क्या होता है, पर्ल कहाँ से मिलता है? ठीक है, मोलस्क से मिलता है, मोलस्क वाला उससे जीव से मिलता है। सो सी, उसका शेल होता है, पर्ल इसके अंदर में होता है, राइट? तो दिस शेल इज मेड ऑफ कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट, दिस इज द एक्सोस्केलेटन। ओके, समझ में आया what is an endo and what is an exoskeleton? So this is an exoskeleton. Now if we have already talked, ये कार्बन सेल्स क्यों बोल रहा है? बिकॉज इसमें क्या रहता है, बोन्स में क्या रहता है, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट। कैल्शियम इज पॉजिटिव, कार्बोनेट इज नेगेटिव। ओके, समझ में आया? ओके,
हाँ सर।
now somebody used what to say, speaker or what? Hello? Okay, now we'll go to this part. कार्बन जब लाइफ फॉर्म में, ओके, whenever it is incorporated, मतलब एक लाइफ फॉर्म में घुसता है, ओके, then the basic process of photosynthesis जब ये परफॉर्म करता है in the presence of sunlight, ओके, ये कौन परफॉर्म करता है? थ्रू chlorophyll. Okay, what it does is this chlorophyll, what it does is it converts the carbon dioxide from that atmosphere, and or it also dissolves in water into the atmosphere. Okay, it's saying that this this chlorophyll, it will convert this carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, जो एटमॉस्फेयर से मिलेगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, उसको, या जो पानी में डिजोल्व हुआ रहेगा, ओके, दैट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, it will convert into glucose molecules. These glucose molecules na, after later, okay, they are converted, may be converted into different substances, okay, or may be used to give energy for the for its various biological processes, okay, or synthesis of other biological molecules. So that this utilization of glucose will provide energy to the living things, okay, which will help in the process of respiration. And in this process, this oxygen, okay, oxygen may be used to convert this glucose to carbon dioxide, back into carbon dioxide, or it may not be used. And apart from this, this carbon dioxide, when it is formed, it is released into the atmosphere. और एक process है, okay, and और एक process है, here what happens, that's carbon dioxide in this in the atmosphere, okay, in the process of conversions where combustion, you know na, what is combustion? You don't know, right? Okay, combustion is burning up, okay. Suppose if you have seen any inside of any car engine or vehicle engine?
नो सर।
नो ना, कभी नहीं देखा। कंबशन बोल के कभी नहीं सुना भी?
सुना है।
ठीक है, क्या सुना है?
Heard.
हाँ, क्या है? व्हाट इज कंबशन? कंबशन में क्या होता है? एक सब्सटेंस, बर्निंग, या बर्निंग को कंबशन बोलते हैं. इफ यू से इन नॉर्मल टर्म्स, इट्स बर्निंग ओनली. एंड व्हेन एनीथिंग बर्न्स, क्या क्या रिलीज होता है? what are the two things getting released when anything burns? One is sorry, actually three things will be released. One no, only two things will be released. Okay, when anything burns, अभी लकड़ी भी तुम जला दो ना, two things will be released. One is light, right? Light release होता है, another is heat release होता है, and that heat we are converting, we are using it to cook something, right? If you want to cook something, we use that heat that is getting out after burning that woods. समझ में आया?
Yes.
This is what they are saying. This carbon dioxide, ठीक है? Okay. एटमोस्फियर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को कैसे तुम क्या करोगे? ऐड करोगे, ठीक है? कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड एटमोस्फेयर में आता कैसे है? बोला है कि एक प्रोसेस से जिसमें क्या होता है? कंबशन ऑफ फ्यूल्स. ओके, ये प्रोसेस ऑफ कंबशन में क्या होता है? फ्यूल से बर्न, राइट? फ्यूल जैसे तुम यू आर यूजिंग पेट्रोल, डीजल, यू आर यूजिंग इट टू गेट एनर्जी टू रन योर व्हीकल. ओके, एनीथिंग, if you want to move anything, you need energy. Remember this point. If you want to move anything, if you want to do anything, you will require energy. Now now getting that energy from any source, that's important. Some source is important. Suppose you're moving right now, you're moving, suppose you're using your pen, right? You're moving your pen, it is requiring energy, but that energy kahan se aa raha hai? That energy is coming out or coming from the food you have had. Food नहीं खाते तो एनर्जी नहीं मिलता. You don't eat food for some days. तो क्या होता है? एट फर्स्ट यू विल थिंक कि अरे मैं खाना नहीं खा के 2 दिन खाना नहीं खा के भी आई कैन मूव दैट पेन. It's happening because, see, whenever we have food, that excess food, ठीक है, the body starts for say storing. हम लोग क्या करते हैं जब भी कमाते हैं, then we after we earn, if you are earning excess amount of money, what do you do? Extra money we store it in banks. Okay, जमा करते हैं, right? पैसा जमा करते हैं, पैसा. So in the similar way, body also thinks it might require energy. Now, so we are talking about that, right? That process of combustion. Now, when you burn anything, so two things will come out. That is, one is light, one is heat. Okay. These fuels which are burned to provide energy. Okay. For you need these fuels like LPG, you need for heating or cooking. For you need petrol for transportation. You need diesel and all. For what? You need it for industrial processes. Okay, they also need energy, right, to run their machines. So if you see in very big offices, you'll see this Kirloskar ka what is it, generator, you'll see. Okay, so these things will add what? Whenever you burn these fuels, okay, it will add carbon dioxide. Apart from energy, carbon dioxide also is formed, right? This carbon dioxide will be added to the atmosphere, and in due process of time, the amount of carbon dioxide will increase. Right now, if I give you the correct data, okay, let me see. The carbon dioxide is close to 0.038%, but it will double, you see, in the next some years. Okay, the percent of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, it is said to be doubled since the industrial revolution. Okay, have you ever, I think in socially you have heard about that industrial revolutions, right? You have heard, right? तुम लोग ने पढ़ा है शायद. You have not studied? Hey, you have studied, I hope. You have not studied about industrial revolution? Okay.
So I think studied.
Huh? Okay. Yeah, industrial revolution, it happened somewhere in the 1700s, okay? 1700s and 1800s of in this Europe and United States. So there, after that industrial revolution, industries started coming up, and once the industry started coming up, what happened? They started producing more carbon dioxide. They started producing, and since they needed more energy, they started burning more fossil fuels. Okay, they started burning these fossil fuels on a large scale, and then they started adding this carbon dioxide to the atmosphere. Okay, and carbon, okay, In this way, it is cycled rapidly through different forms and through various biological activities. Okay. After this, we have this greenhouse effect, the oxygen cycle, and ozone layer. I hope only this page is there, na? So we'll need one class to complete it. So you guys want to do one class today, or you want to do it on Thursday? It's up to you. Okay? Let us do it on Thursday only, because Thursday का कितना हो जाएगा? Thursday will be 15 तारीख. Okay, 15 तारीख होगा तो then you can, okay, your exam will be on 28, I suppose. 20 से start होगा sir, 21 से. So okay, 15 will do. So 15 will do and we'll complete it. Okay, I'll just explain this one also later. ठीक है? इसमें कुछ नहीं है. इसमें बोला है कि just see here what happens. What कहाँ गया? Okay, you see here, this is carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, right? This carbon dioxide, plants क्या करते हैं? Carbon dioxide लेता है, right? This carbon dioxide, okay, they take and they convert it into suppose glucose or various other biochemicals, right? And when they convert into them, and suppose these plants die, then they will be directly going to back to the atmosphere. Or these plants, suppose they are are eaten by animals, okay? कुछ plants जैसे गोरु घास वास खाता है ना? So what they do, these are taken by these animals, and these animals will convert into what is it, organic compounds. Suppose उन लोगों को energy चाहिए, so they'll convert in their body to get converted to various compounds, and later again when they die, this will what is it, decompose into atmosphere. Yeah, whenever they respire, okay, respiration process में carbon dioxide is formed and is released into atmosphere. Okay, like when you respire, this respiration is formed. Okay, now yeah, carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, we use it as carbonates in water. ठीक है? जैसे लाइमस्टोन कार्बोनेट्स होता है. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट जो बोलते हैं हम लोग, कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट क्या होता है? लाइमस्टोन होता है. जो चूना खाते हो ना, पान के साथ एकदम मस्त चबाते हो, that is calcium carbonate, and this is the form of what? The form of carbon. And coal, this carbon dioxide, carbon will get converted to coal under huge pressure. This plants, organic plants, na, these plants will die. Had जो हम लोग को coal मिलता है अभी ना, but how this formed? This carbon dioxide is taken by plants, and these plants they have died. Suppose due to some mass destruction, maybe the plants have died, and they have been what's it? क्या होता है? Whenever you see soil ना, new soil is always getting deposited above another. आज जो soil तुम देख रहे हो उसके ऊपर, that will be going down in some years. उसके ऊपर और layers form होगा. So similarly, these plants after they died, they moved down the layers of the earth, and then under huge pressure, okay, and heat, they get converted to coal, okay, or they get converted to these petroleum products, that crude oil, okay. And these organic compounds, these animals when they die, in the similar way, they get converted to petroleum, or they get converted to inorganic carbonate like shells. Okay, चलो, this is ये होता है तुम्हारा वो मैरीन एनिमल्स में या जो सी में मिलता है. तो शंख होता है. शंख इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ शेल. जो स्नेल होता है, स्नेल का जो आउटर लेयर होता है, दैट इज आल्सो एन एक्सोस्केलेटन, दैट इज आल्सो शेल. ठीक है, चलो, बाय बाय.
थैंक यू सर.
Thank you, sir.